everybody, greetings and salutations. So I haven't been on here for a little while. I've been in schooling, homeschooling, lockdown madness. So I thought I'd better jump on today since the kids have gone back and just let you know that I've just done an interview with Adrian. And what Adrian is doing within our Ninja group is he's interviewing very short little interviews, loads of the Ninja team, just to get their perspective on the group, how they're finding it, how their trading's going, their lifestyles, their backgrounds. And it's a great way for you to get to know us as a team, and you can see the complete different spectrum of people that we've got within our Ninja team, and you'll be able to see those interviews. The interviews are going to be broadcasted into our Ninja Forex Traders Lite group, which is our little kind of little group where you can just come in and just check us out. You know, you're not committed to anything, you just come and check us out. You can watch some live sessions, you can watch some trainings, you can get to meet us, you can see the results that we're getting. So those interviews are going to be put in there over the next few weeks, so it'll be a great way for you to get to know us as a team before you make that decision to join us or not. So if you would like to join the Ninja Forex Traders Lite group, you just need to message down below to say that you're interested, and I'll send you an invitation to that group. There's no obligation, you don't have to pay any money. It's a free open Facebook group, okay? So it's just for you to come and have a look and see what you think of us, how our trading style is, our trading system, just the complete support that we have in that group and the results that we're actually getting. There's no fluff, there's no hype, there's no BS. It's just real people trading on a daily basis as a team with a great support network. So if you'd like to join that Ninja Lite group, let me know down below in the comments and I'll add you. Okay, have a great day, and hopefully I'll be doing lots more videos as well in this group now that the kids are back. Oh, it's wonderful. So take care everybody, happy trading, and I'll see you soon.